Hi, this is a video on how to install Axon Panel Accessories on the James Hardie CLD structural cavity batten, with the best tips and tricks included. Before you get started, it's important that we have all the correct tools. Axon Panel and James Hardie CLD structural cavity battens, nail guns and correct specification nails, flexible sealant and adhesive sealant, primer, hammer, external corners and your PPE. Always refer to the Axon Panel Technical Specification for safe working practices. Internal corner. The internal corner is used to create a clean internal finish. Fix the first CLD batten into the stud using round drive nails. Apply adhesive sealant to the edge. Fix the batten into the stud. Apply a continuous bead of adhesive sealant. Fix the sealed cut edge panel 12mm from the edge using a 25mm T-head stainless steel brad head nail. Fix the shiplap edge distance 18mm at 150mm centers. Ensure to nail through the body of board, not through the groove. Finish slightly proud and hand nail flush. Apply adhesive sealant to the internal batten. Leave a 10mm gap using a packer. Then fix the sealed cut edge panel 12mm from the edge. Finish with flexible sealant in the joint. Mask edging to form a clean joint when tooling off. External aluminium box corner. The external aluminium box corner creates a subtle finish. Fix the aluminium corner over the CLD batten at 400mm centers using brad nails. Apply adhesive sealant, then fix the sealed cut edge panel 40mm from the edge using brad nail. Horizontal joint flashing on a tall wall. Panels one above the other must be joined using a JH 9mm horizontal H-mold. Fix the panel into the batten 300mm from the top edge using brad nails. Install the H-mold. Apply a continuous bead of adhesive sealant. Keep a 10mm gap using a packer. Fix the top panel. Ensure grooves are lined up. Thanks for watching this video on how to install Axon Panel Accessories on the James Hardie CLD structural cavity batten. For more information, always refer to the Axon Panel Technical Specification or ask James Hardie.